May the peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you. Today we will continue with you the series of free explanations for making money from the internet, in which we present sites from which you can earn completely free of charge. Without any capital, no deposits required, without any news, simple steps we do. And we start earning from these sites. Some of them have medium profits and some have low profits. It is very difficult to find a free profit site with very large numbers, and this is a normal thing because it is a free thing. As for the rest of the sites that have strategies, plans, and methods, you can make good profits from them, but so we try. To please everyone, we will show you some easy, free sites that you can operate on your computer or mobile phone just by watching ads, watching videos, clicking on links, simple things like that. I mean, we will explain how many sites are in the same way. If you worked on this site together, you could make a good amount of money. I will not be able to tell you a high amount, but you can make a good amount and a respectable amount if you have free time or want to work on it all day long. If you are a student, you can make a good amount of it. All I want from you is that you follow the explanation with me from beginning to end so that you understand how to work on the site and how you can benefit from this site the most. So do not miss any explanation so that everything is clear to you. This is very important. Of course, you will find a registration link on the site in the video description. I don't want to explain it to you for a long time. We go into the explanation at length and learn together how to work on this site. Of course, I will explain to you more than one similar site, as I told you, so that you can earn a good amount of money from them. Villa between us, and God willing, you will like the video.
Thanks for watching.
Welcome guys, this is the site we will be working on. As you have seen, there is more than one way to profit from the site. Of course, there are 6,000 or 67,170 people who have earned or are earning from this site without investment and without capital. This is the amount they earned, 106,000 rubles. Ruble coin is a Russian currency. Here, of course, is the number of days the site has been operating. As you can see, you can earn 1 cent for 1 click. Here, there is also the possibility on this site that you can make advertisements from it, and we will understand this when we enter the site. But our goal now is to earn from the site completely free of charge. Of course, to register on the site, you will go over this and click on register. On this page, you will start writing your username and it will be in English. Here is your email and here is your password. It should be from 4 to 20 characters. Of course, a strong cell with letters, symbols, and numbers. After that, you click on register, which means registering an account. You may receive an email confirming your account. Do your account with it. You may come and you may not come. I don't remember because I have been registered on the site for a while or have been an account user for a while. After you log into the site, the main page of the site will open in front of you in this way. Of course, here you will have your statistics. The balance you purchased will appear here. We have nothing to do with him now. Here is the balance available for you to withdraw. Here is the profit of Alat. Here is the number of clicks or views of the ads you viewed in the last 48 hours. Of course, here you have the beginning of the profits, where you start earning, and here if you would like to advertise on the site. Okay, what is written under these? We have the first thing called adding balance. Add balance. This is if you would like to add the balance to the site in order to make advertisements from it. For example, it brings visits to your website. After that, you can upgrade this account if you want to increase your profit percentage. He tells you that if you pay 10 rubles, your profit or the price per click that you will take will increase by 10%. Well, if you put 100 rubles, it will increase by 100%. Okay. If you add 200 rubles, we will try this, it will increase by 200%. Here you provide the price per click that you earn from the site. Okay guys, of course this is an ongoing thing and not for a limited time. You paid 200 rubles and the price per click for the ad will continue at the new expensive price. If you want to do this, you don't want to, so continue with the current price per click. After that, we have the withdrawal field. If you want to exchange the balance you have earned, it will appear in the balance with which you will make an advertisement on the site. The shopping box is still not working. My box also didn't work. We return to the home page. Okay guys, this is how we defined the home page. What do you have something here called balance? This is the balance available for withdrawal, as we said, and this is the balance from which you make advertisements. We explained it, and all of this we explained. We come to the method from which we will earn the site. You have something here called surfing sites. Make money. These are the countries that you earn from. Profit on this site. We will click on surfing sites and a very large number of advertisements will begin to appear here. Your profit may increase by 100% if you add 100 rubles and so on, but you want to work at these prices. You will start working at these prices. There is no problem. You have a lot of advertisements and these advertisements are renewed with the first time. Of course, you must see this advertisement because its currency advertisement is expensive. You have 5 and 60 coins. We click on the ad and it tells you what is in this ad. Open the page for 40 seconds. You will wait 40 seconds on the page we are on. This is all that you do on the site. You wait 40 seconds, or you wait for the appointed time, meaning that after the time runs out, a question appears that tells you, for example, choose the inverted image, choose the different image, and then you start choosing it, and make sure that if you see the advertisement, you are certain that you are a human being, not a human being who works on the site. So he starts adding the balance to you. We will wait for a few seconds together. After that, we solve the question that he will ask and see if the balance is added or not. Indeed, guys, he brought me some pictures. Is it like this for us to grow up together? He tells me what? He chooses the upside down picture. This is the upside down picture. This is exactly the upside down picture. You solve the question, or the task was done correctly. We go back and do a reload. We will actually find that the balance has been added. I have 10.5 coins left. I have 10.5 coins, and so on for the rest of the ads. We will see, for example, this credits me. It means 70 cents in coins. It is not 70 cents, but it means 70 out of 100 coins. It tells you to open the page. For a period of 5 seconds, then choose the inverted image that I think is exactly the same. This is how you chose the inverted image. Go back and re-download. You will find the 70 additions. You have 11 points and 20 and so on for the rest of the ads. You start clicking on all of these ads. You watch them all and start collecting your points or your coins. You are supposed to withdraw them. Okay, what else do we have to do? It's called the daily bonus. I'm still doing it now. This bonus is every 24 hours. You have the possibility of winning from the first 1 coin up to 50 coins. If you continue, every day you enter and click on this daily bonus. You take the balance, and your bonus balance increases what you are supposed to do every day. You are afraid. Here you find something like Zarar like this. You click on it with your hands, your daily reward. Okay, what else do we have? We have something called referrals. You earn through referrals, and he says to you that you take 10% of the value of the referrals that they make, or from the value of the profits of the referrals, or you take 10%. For example, if we assume that the user who registered through you earned $1, you will take 10 cents through him, and you will also take 5%. If this user wants to promote his account and wants to put money in order to make advertisements and receive visits from the site, then I invited him to take 5% from him, or from him to take the balance he made 5%. This is for the method of referrals. We have something called the types of advertisements that or if you would like to make an advertisement, you will find here the methods for making the advertisement, or the conditions, meaning steps, prices, time, and all. Something, you add the link to your website here. Sorry, the advertising unit, the name of your advertisement. Here is the link to the website or page that you want to make an advertisement for. Here is the type of advertisement. What is premium, what is macro, and what is micro. Of course, it varies according to the views, according to the prices, and according to the time you want. Any money withdraws your money automatically to all known payment systems, including Perfect and Payeer. 600 coins are equal to 6 rubles. Oh, as I told you, the profit is small, but the profit is free, so you cannot expect that. For example, the free profit is that you will find yourself earning $60–70 a day. No, it is free profit. The profit must be small. If you work on this site continuously, for example, per day, you can get $3 or $4 from one site. There are many other sites that we will explain in the coming period. If you also work on them continuously, starting daily, you will collect a good amount, God willing, but the important thing is that you work. Of course, my sites, if you still make an advertisement, it will start showing you your ads in this place. I will leave you the link to register on the site in the video description. Oh, I forgot to tell you that contacts is this. If you would like to send a message to the site, you would like to ask them about something. You have a problem, start sending them through this email. So I said everything about the site. Today I will leave you a link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for everyone. like the video and write us a comment telling us your opinion of the site. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will see you, God willing, in a new video. Thank you. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you.